Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing, it is an unboxing, but it is an unboxing from a subscriber that was kind enough to send me some lashes. So I talked to her a lot. Michelle, shout out. Michelle Phillips. And she's moving, so she said that she's downsizing, and she asked if I would like lashes, because obviously I use lashes and I like them. Very, very kind of her. Thank you so much, Michelle. I am excited. I did get this like probably close to a week ago, but I was pretty sick and I didn't get on camera because I wasn't feeling good. I'm still getting over it, if you can hear it in my voice. So, excuse me. And I was talking about that in the Tati video, in the Blend to Fold video. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. And I should, yeah, because I'll have the Tati video up before this. So let's go ahead. I am super excited and so thankful that a subscriber sent me some lashes. I'm super excited. So let's open her. Thank you so much, Michelle. Oh, and she's got it in the little box too. You're so adorable. She put it in a little birch box. So cute. And it is taped down. Thank you. You're making it hard for me to get in there, but that's okay. I'll get it. I'll get in there. Do you still get the birch box, Michelle? Because I know I stopped getting it. All right. So, she's so sweet. Oh, all right. So I'm already seeing stuff that I really like and I've tried. So that's what's inside the box. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. All right. So this came out of, I believe it was a BoxyCharm, and I lost these and I loved these so much. So I cannot believe that you just gave me these. I absolutely loved these lashes and I cannot find them anywhere. They are so pretty. So there is those. Oh, thank you so much. I love that. We have a brand I've never heard of, AOA Studio. Definitely nice lashes though. Definitely will use those. Infinite Glow lashes. Does it have? No. Oh, Fine Honey. It's called Fine Honey. So there's those. We have a pair of Ardell Faux Mink 811. Those are pretty big for, I do like them though. I mean, I generally go wispies, but I have used these and I do like them. They're more dramatic. I have to cut the edges off because my eyes are so small. We have Lily lashes. You gotta be kidding me. Girl, what? Thank you so much. These things are not cheap. All right, so we've got Lily lashes right here. And I've never had a pair of Lily lashes, I don't think. What? And these are, I don't know, G-A-I-A, Gaia? I have no idea. But I am super, super excited to try that out. All right, and there's two more in here, and it's another great brand. I can't believe you sent me this stuff. So we've got Tarte lashes in Flirt. Those are kind of hard to see, but they're very pretty. The band on those is a little bit, let me see if I can get this out. The band's a little bit thicker, but yeah, so you can kind of see the band on that, but that's okay. I can get used to that. I love the lashes part. Very pretty. And I've never tried Tarte's lashes either, so you're awesome, Michelle. I can't believe I'm so excited over these than I am the lash box, because I canceled that. So I'm loving all of these. There's this set, and it is in, wait, wasn't that Flirt too? So they're both flirt. Okay, so yeah, they're both flirt. So that's nice. But what, girl? Crazy. Empty. Thank you so much, Michelle. So again, we're gonna show, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 lily lashes, 5, 6, and 7 lashes. Thank you so much. I am hooked up now for a while. I will use every one of them. You are amazing. Thank you so much, Michelle. Other than that, I just wanted to show you guys how sweet YouTube can be and how we can make friends on YouTube, and it can be fun. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you again, Michelle. Amazing, awesome, and I hope your move goes very well for you. And I think that's it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, definitely leave a comment because it helps, and that's it. And hit that notification bell because I'm still a little YouTuber and I'm trying to get to that 300 subscriber mark so we can do another giveaway. So definitely hit that subscribe button. That's it. So have a fantastic day, you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.